Ever felt like you've lost everything? That feeling is so strong. As of the world is ending without him, she is everything. Unfortunately, the world doesn't want me to be with him. Maybe because she is my first love. Every moment,
every time it tells us she's teasing me.
is this true or not? In my heart, every time I want to change my heart, she always comes into my heart. Often in my sleep I have a dialogue with my heart.